The next one, comparative selling. Now, this is not one selling technique that we can use or we cannot use. This is must use, which means a salesperson should know the techniques on how to win deals from competition. Right now, it is one of the biggest problems. Most of the customers that will come to you, they will find another competition which is offering the same product in less price. Now, how do you win those deals from those kind of competition? How do you snatch those deals? It's a big challenge. So how to go against competition, and that competition which is offering it in less price, it's a big problem. I'm giving you an example. My sales training, a corporate training that we sell, a 2 days training program goes for somewhere around 1,25,000 rupees. Now, same training, other competitions are selling it in 25,000 rupees also. Right? 2 days program for 10 people. I am proposing it in 1,25,000. That guy is charging 25,000. Now, how customer to customer, it looks like that training is training. Same sales techniques. Why are you charging me more? So this is where your competitive selling skills should be so good that you should be able to convince customer to pay 1 lakh extra. Okay. It's a big problem. I'll tell you, you may not believe on it. You think that my company is very big. My products are better. My products are superior and all those kind of things. But look at it from competition, from customer eyes. To customer, your product and competition product, they both looks the same. You are saying I am a big 15-year-old company, 50 years old company. That company is also a 10 years old company. So what's wrong? What is that? They are also reliable. You will say, oh, we have 1,000 customers. They have 150, 200 customers also. So what big deal? They also have customers, right? So everything from customer side looks the same. So one of the technique we will discuss is how to convince customers against cheaper competition and win deals and make him pay more. It is one of the toughest tasks that you will learn. Then comes personalization. How to personalize your products that appeals to every customer. Because customers, they reject companies and brands and products based on their own requirements. Oh, no, this company is just 10 years old. We are looking for 50-year-old company. Oh, no, this company don't have big customers. We need to look for a company that has big customers. So they have these kind of, what do you call it? Judging parameters in their mind. So how to remove those parameters and how to position yourself that you are the right vendor, right product for them. That is what we are going to learn. That's called personalization technique. Demonstration is your presentation skills. What you talk about your product. How do you talk about it so that people like it? Next one we will learn is storytelling. How to use storytelling to convince people, because without this, competitive selling will not work. You won't be able to convince anybody to pay more. Then limited time offer, how to create urgency. Now this will be to reduce the sales cycle. So if your sales cycle, customer will say, I will buy in 6 months. You cannot wait for that money to sit there in 6 months, right? You want this deal to happen in 1 month. So how to create that urgency using storytelling, using recommendations, using social proofs, using scarcity, all these techniques we will learn and create that urgency so customers can buy very quickly.